In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to Shopify and what to blog about. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a post in Shopify, set it up the right way, and have a clear direction for the kind of content that actually drives traffic and sales. First, head to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. This is where all your storefront content lives, including your blog. From there, go into Pages so you can access the content management area. You'll see a search field. Click into it to quickly locate what you need. Start typing in the highlighted field to filter down to the blog tools and options. Next, select Add Blog Post. This opens the editor for a new article. In the highlighted fields, enter your post title and your main content. Keep your title clear and descriptive, and write your body copy in short, scannable paragraphs. If you're still drafting, it's a good idea to set the visibility to hidden so it won't appear on your live storefront yet. You can always switch it to visible when you're ready to publish. Add a featured image by clicking Add Image. Choose or upload a high-quality image, then confirm in the highlighted action to attach it to the post. Strong visuals increase click-throughs and help your post look great on your storefront and social previews. Now assign the article to the appropriate blog. Open the blog selector, then pick your preferred blog, such as news. If you only have one blog, selecting it ensures the post appears in the right feed on your site. Next, open the template picker and choose Default Blog Post. The default template is clean and compatible with most themes, so it's a safe choice unless you've set up a custom design. When everything looks good, click Save. If you set the post to hidden earlier, you can come back, review, and toggle it to visible when you're ready to go live. Saving frequently is a best practice to avoid losing any edits. Let's talk about what to blog about so you always have ideas ready. Focus on content that helps your customers make confident purchase decisions. Product education and how-to guides that show setup, sizing, styling, or care are excellent. Share behind-the-scenes stories, brand values, and new product announcements to build trust. Customer spotlights and case studies add social proof. Seasonal gift guides and trend roundups capture search traffic during key moments. And don't forget to answer common questions with deep dive FAQs that reduce support tickets and boost conversions. That's it. Create your post, set visibility, add images, assign the right blog and template, then save. Repeat this process consistently, and your Shopify blog will become a powerful